Welcome back. Today we are going to learn Python syntax, comments and variables. Okay. Let's start with the Python syntax. Let me go to PyCharm to write the syntax. Okay. I'm going to PyCharm. I'm creating a new file, Python file. Name it as some test. Okay. See here, the basic syntax Python will follow indentation. Okay, it is very simple thing that we need to follow. Okay, indentation refers to the spaces at the beginning of the code line, and indentation is very important because of indentation indicates a block of code. Let me give you an example. If 5 is greater than 2 colon, press enter, print. I am writing some block of statements. Let's say 5 is greater than 2. Yeah, perfect. See, so once I enter after colon, it is statements is starting after one tab. Got it right? Yeah. So this is a automatically cursor will move to one tab space from the starting line. Let me run the script with the results. We'll check that I'm running the script test. See, the result got displayed. 5 is greater than 2, which means there is no problem with the syntax. Okay. If by mistakenly or if you are skip something for the indentations, it will get a syntactical errors. Let me give you one example for that. If 4 is greater than 3 colon enter, wantedly I am moving back to the starting line and giving a print statement that 4 is greater than 3. Okay, so it is showing us syntax error. Okay, even you run the test case, you will get a error message. See, you got an error message that you missed a indentation. Okay, and you have to use the same number of spaces in the same block of code, otherwise Python will give you an error, which means I am writing another print statement for the same if block, and I am skipping an indentation for the first statement of print. See, first statement is even missed, and again I am writing another statement with a tab, print 4 is greater than 3. See, even I write correct statement for the if condition, it got error message because I missed indentation for the first statement. Okay, let me run the same test case again. See, I got an error message. If I make it correct, okay, all errors gone. Okay, try to run the same test case and see the results. See the results, everything got printed in the console, which means is correct. Okay, concluding this topic, we need to follow correct indentation. If you are not following correct indentation, you will get a syntactical errors. Python syntax. Let's start understanding another important topic is Python's comments. Python comments is very important because it will explain the code. If you want to explain something to this particular logic or any statement that you specifically implemented, you can explain that within the comment sections, or more readable for the next person. Okay, for example, so I just want to understand the if condition block, why you written two lines for within the same block, a kind of stuff. You can keep a hash. Anything starts with a hash, which means is a comment. Okay, comment section. Okay, even if you want to add multiple statements or multiple lines of statements in within the comments, then you can keep a triple quotes, starts with triple quotes, end with a triple quotes, which means multi-line comments. Try to run the same test case. You should get the only one statement of print, that is 5 is greater than 2. Yeah, this is very simple, right? To understanding the comment sections, comments, multiple line comments. Yeah, that's it. So, okay, we'll start another important topic like Python variables. So generally, Python variables, not only Python variables in any language, variables are containers for storing the data values. For example, in real time, if you want to store anything like a milk or food, right? So we need to have some containers, okay, like bowl or suitable containers required. Okay, the same way variable are storing the data values. Okay, for example, I want to declare some integers. A equals 5, b equals 6, c equals a plus b, or else if you want to declare any string values, s equal to within double quotes hello python. Okay, so let me print the same values. Print a, print b, print c, print s. So let me try to execute the same test case. See the results. See, everything get executed, right? It got displayed in the console, which means everything is perfect. So declaration of variables, how we are storing. So eight kind of dynamic type of variables, like even you dynamically change the value, integer to string, string to integer, it will not give you any syntactical errors. That is how the python is very flexible to storing the data values, dynamic behaviors. Okay, that is how the variables and variable declaration and storage of variables. Okay, got it, right? We have very few data types that we need to understand in python. We will learn in the next lecture. Thank you for watching.